Hello, I'm Jed Chen, an associate professor at the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. I'm happy to share with you the proposal submitted to SSC on DigitalTwin Plus for Hong Kong UST campus. The team also includes Alice Zhang of CMO, Penny Hubert Brown of CDO, and Sammy Kwan of ITSC. Thanks to SSC, in 2019, we started to build a 3D digital twin for Hong Kong UST campus. Digital twin is a digital replica of a physical asset, process, people, or system to capture its geometry as well as its behaviors. Digital twin allows us to visualize the campus, locate components, monitor conditions, and conduct simulations. So far, we have created the 3D digital models of over 60 buildings on campus. These models were then field verified and enriched with room attributes for space management, with floor plans of different coloring. We also developed a digital twin platform available on app and web versions for IQ data. But all these are only the beginning. Now we start to see how to use the digital twin to support our needs. For example, CDFMO may wonder how can facility maintenance and the campus space be better managed. A faculty or student may wonder is there a water fountain nearby, or a visitor may wonder how does a lecture theater look like inside. We try to address these questions using the digital twin. In this proposal, we first plan to connect the Hong Kong UST digital twin with FM system and BMS to support CDO and CMO for facility management. Second, we plan to enrich the digital twin with major subcomponents like water fountain in the digital models. Third, we plan to integrate with panoramic images so that we can better see the inside and the surrounding environment on campus. In the first part, existing FM systems like Maximal and BMS like Honeywell will be integrated for a smarter facility management process. We can monitor the facility condition data in 3D. Data-driven predictive maintenance can be carried out, and we can use the integrated sensing data to improve human comfort and IQ. In the second part, various types of facilities like water fountain and printers will be added in the digital models. They will be monitored for intelligent management. With positioning technology, we can then easily locate these subcomponents with reference to our location. In the third part, 360-degree panoramic images will be integrated to provide a realistic view of the campus environment. It enables people to better understand the campus environment inside and outside. This enhanced view will be similar to the street view in Google Maps. The same concept can be applied to both campuses of Hong Kong UST. We also focus on the educational elements of this proposal. First, this project will provide opportunity to support many research topics for our UG and PG students. We will also support internal staff by providing basic training and technical advice. Therefore, our vision is to make Hong Kong UST a sustainable and smart campus with 3D models. With digital twin, we can provide a single source of truth. There's no duplication of maps and models with inconsistent information. We can also connect different systems and predict performance using the digital twin. We hope to get your support in this project to build a smarter and more sustainable Hong Kong UST for both Clearwater Bay campus and Guangzhou campus. Thank you.